This is the HP 5510 all-in-one office printer. It prints, it faxes, it scans, and it copies. It also does not work. Let's see how well it deals with my little friend here.
Okay, HP, I've got a printer over here I've been using to help do my job, to protect your freedom. I called you up the other day because my printer's broke, and you want me to pay you to tell me how to fix it. I got something for you.
Recording.
All right, HP, I appreciate your support of Uncle Sam and all the soldiers over here in Iraq. Thank you very much.
What a piece of shit this product is.